Back to my channel, friends. In today's video I'm going to show you how to get rid of pimples, dark spots, wrinkles using activated charcoal mask in combination with egg white. So I'm going to be needing just 1 egg for this, and I need 1 tablespoon of egg white in this. If you have a larger size of face, you can use 2 tablespoons, but I'm not going to keep this after this, so I'm just going to exhaust everything today. So the next I'm going to be needing will be a 1 teaspoon of activated charcoal. I'm going to combine these two, the egg white and the activated charcoal, and I'm going to turn it. You have to keep turning it until the two of them are properly mixed before applying it. And before applying it, make sure your face is clean. I mean, you're going to wash your face and allow it dry before you start to apply this. This face mask is really good. If you've been watching my video, if you have watched my previous video, you will see, there was a mask challenge I did for 9 days. It was turmeric and lime. If you see my face then and see my face now, you'll see that there is a lot different. Since I've been using this home remedy skincare on my face, it has been working wonders for me, and I know that before you know it, I'm going to get rid of all these spots on my face. So it's really very powerful to help to lighten up your skin, and you're gonna get a youthful skin. If you have wrinkles, it's gonna help you get rid of them, and blackheads as well. So this mask is really very, very helpful. So I'm done with face application, and I allow this to sit on my face until it is completely dried. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to apply the second one. So you apply the first one and allow it to dry, then you apply the second one. You are not going to be using it every day unless you choose to. Personally, I'm going to be using it 3 times or 2 times in a week. It all depends on how on the condition of your face. If the condition of your face is so, if it's really of a great concern, you can apply it, like daily for 1 week, then you reduce it to twice a week. So yeah, I'm done with the second application, and you can see I allowed it to sit on my face until it is completely dried, just like the first one. You can see that. You can see, yeah, it's so much, as in kind of my face is dried. It's dried up, and it's kind of as if it's kind of bringing up my face together. I don't even know how to explain that, but I think I feel good. So we're gonna wash it after this. We're gonna wash it. It depends on what works for you. I washed mine with normal water at room temperature. You can wash yours with warm water at room temperature. You can wash yours with warm water. It depends on what works for your skin. So yeah, I'm done, and you can see my face is glowing. Oh, okay guys, so thank you so much for watching. I'm done with today's video. If you find this helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and turn on the bell so that you know when next I upload another video. And please don't forget to share. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Ciao.